Hi there, it's Sam from POW. Just thought I'd do a quick video to talk you through a strategy which I've been running on and looking at over the last just over 3 months. So this is a Gbpusd, AUDCAD and gold set files. So there's only 3 set files, 1 on each pair, and this is purely focusing on RSI when it's been either overbought or oversold, and also extreme Bollinger Bands. So I'll just show you how I set up those details there. So on here we were looking at the higher levels of RSI, so 81 for the sell level, which mirrored at 19 for the buy level, all the way up to quite a high area, but I think this one finished on about 81 or 86. And then we also focused on the Bollinger Bands, but only when they're in the extremes. So what we're looking for is when the currency is really overbought or oversold, and also is outside of the Bollinger Bands, we're looking for the reversal on that current pair. Now, when we set it up in the auto tester, all I did was set up the 3 pairs along with my optimization file just here, and this test that I actually ran from January 2023 until December 2023, because I actually ran this test at the end of January 2024, and I deployed it onto my master account in February just to see how it worked and also what sort of results it played out. So once the testing had been completed, the portfolio builder did all of the testing for me. I was then able to go through the results, target my drawdown where the portfolio builder would automatically scale my lot sizes to meet my drawdown requirements, go into the set generator and find out the sets that I wanted to use, and then I can just go into this file here, which will actually bring all of my set files together. Now this one did have quite a high drawdown in terms of its peak, but it's something that I was happy to look at, purely for the fact that it did quite easily anywhere between 3, 4, sometimes even 6% a month in the June. And I know that if I change my global drawdown here to 1500, it was only on a few occasions where it actually went over that amount. If I actually changed that to 2000, then there was only a couple of occasions throughout a whole year which actually exceeded those drawdown limits. So I thought I was really happy with that. It was something that I did want to explore, and I've actually run it live on my master account since the 7th of February, and it has done a steady increase here up until now, where I'm just currently sitting at 13% up on this master account. Now this has worked out really well. It's had a drawdown, I think in terms of monetary value it got to about $3,400, but I know from my testing that I was prepared for that. However, if you look at the drawdown here, it's only sort of peaked once. The rest of the time it's been relatively under 1% and has been working really well. If I just show you that on my actual account as well, we can see here that it's done just over 13% since the 7th of February, nice and consistent. It's not really caused me much dramas whatsoever, but what I've actually been able to do is use that and transfer that and copy it into my OnlyFunds account. So my OnlyFunds account I started on the 29th of April, stopped trading a couple of days ago, I've met the minimum trading days requirements, maximum lifetime drawdown $700, and I'm now parking that account to have a $3,500 withdrawal, which after split should work out to be just over $2,000, which will cover my costs for the account. But the RSI Bollinger Band strategy is something that I've found is really good for the type of trading that I want to achieve. It does focus on lower trade volumes, but I'm happy that once it does find the trades, that it is going to find some good trades with not too much drama in the drawdown department. So that's something that I've had a look at recently. If you're a member of POW, I would recommend having a look at the RSI and Extreme Bollinger Band, see how you get on. If you do have any questions, do let us know. But thank you all for watching.